Greetings of the day. We, Palak Patel of class 9th Indigo,
I, Kanak Satra of class 9th Indigo,
and Ananya Gupta of class 9 Darbara
are your broadcasters of the day and are present here to update you about the happenings that took place yesterday in the world. Today is 19th of January and the temperature is 5 degrees Celsius.
Time for national news. Republic Day, Delhi Metro to tighten security at all stations from today. Coaching centers cannot enroll students below 16 years. Government. Indian workers queue up to get jobs in Israel amid war due to unemployment. School jobs scam rates at several places in Kolkata for over 12 hours. UP anti-terrorist squad detains 3 suspects from Ayodhya. Telangana brings in cargoes from Davos Adani Group, GSW Energy big players.
Time for international news. US President Joe Biden's son Hunter to testify in impeachment inquiry. Donald Trump's son floats Tucker Carlson as potential vice president pick. Houthis claim attack on American ship. US says no damage to vessel. Israel has destroyed 16 of 24 Hamas regiment, says Netanyahu. No ties with Israel before Gaza ceasefire, says Saudi envoy. Qatar-France broker deal to get rid medication to civilians hostages in Gaza. Attack on Israel will end if Gaza war stops, says Iran at Davos meet.
News from the sports arena. Anna Blinkova makes history as Carlos Alcaraz and Iga Swiatek power on at Australian Open. Daniil Medvedev bounces back from 2-set down to enter Australian Open third round. World number 3 Elena Rybakina knocked out of Australian Open loses to Anna Blinkova. Sri Lanka rope in Bharat Arun in advanced coaching role. Mickey Arthur, Grant Bradburn and Andrew Puthik resigned from Pakistan's NCA. AFC Asian Cup 2024 says lackluster India lose 0-3 to Uzbekistan. India lose against Germany in 10th shootout to face Japan for Paris-Pearl. India Open 2024 HS Pranay downs Priyanshu Rajwat in All-Indian clash. Satwik Siraj, Ren Reddy, Chirag Shetty enter quarter-finals. That's all from us today. We'll be back tomorrow with a fresh update. This is Palak Patel
Kanak Saxena and Ananya Gupta
signing out. Goodbye.